In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume using Google Docs. Creating a professional resume is a crucial step in your job application process, and Google Docs offers a simple yet effective way to craft one. Let's dive right in and explore how you can accomplish this task effortlessly and for free. First things first, you'll need to access Google Docs. Open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon, typically a grid of 9 small squares located at the top right corner of the Google homepage. Clicking on this icon will display various Google services available to you. Scroll through these until you find Docs and go ahead and click on it. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, you might need to do so here to continue. When you're inside Google Docs, you'll want to take advantage of the templates available, which can significantly simplify the resume creation process. Look for a button labeled Template Gallery at the top of the page and click on it. This will bring up a variety of pre-made templates that Google offers for different types of documents. Among these templates, you'll find several resume options designed to cater to different styles and professions. Scan through the options and choose a resume template that best fits your needs. When you find one you like, click on it, and a new document will open with the selected template, ready for you to fill in with your personal information. Now comes the fun part, customizing the template with your details. Start by entering your personal information, such as your name, contact details, and address at the top of the resume. Next, move on to your career objectives or personal statement, where you can briefly outline your professional goals and the value you bring to prospective employers. After that, fill in your work experience. Start with the most recent position and work backward, providing a concise summary of each role, including the company name, your job title, and the dates you were employed. Be sure to highlight key achievements and responsibilities that showcase your skills and contributions. Once your work experience is complete, continue to the education section. Add your highest degree first, followed by any other relevant educational qualifications. Include the institution's name, the degree obtained, and the graduation date. Don't forget to incorporate any additional sections that are relevant to your profession or background, such as skills, certifications, or volunteer work. These sections can offer extra insights into your capabilities and strengths. Lastly, take some time to review your resume. Check for any typos or formatting issues. You can also ask a friend or family member to read it over to ensure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied, download your resume or share it directly from Google Docs when applying to jobs. And there you have it. You've just created a professional resume using Google Docs. With its user-friendly interface and handy templates, Google makes this process seamless, helping you put your best foot forward in your job applications. Good luck and happy job hunting!